assigning and completing a work order in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to give a job an owner, start it, log the parts you use, and sign off so there's a real record the work happened. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Maintenance, Work Orders from your dashboard. Once a work order exists, someone needs to own it and finish it. Open it from the list. If it isn't assigned yet, click Assign and pick the tech handling it. That moves it to Assigned. When you're ready to start, click Start Work, which flips it to In Progress so everyone can see it's active. Log any parts you use right on this screen as you go. That keeps your parts inventory accurate without a second step. Add notes or before and after photos too. When the job's done, click Complete. You'll confirm what was done and sign off, and that sign-off is the record that the work actually happened. After that, it moves to Closed and drops off the active list. If the issue comes back, you can reopen it from history, so nothing gets lost between shifts.